Designing performance structures for integrated systems is a task facing unprecedented challenges. Mezzanine floors need to support larger point loads, robotics, and automation, and be future-proofed to cope with ever-changing requirements. Our customers demand flexible mezzanine solutions they can trust to support their needs both now and in the future. Together, our patented Mezzanine7 solution and MezzHead add-on brackets are the ultimate turnkey solution for flexibility, strength, and ease of installation. This unique technology is up to 7 times stronger than standard mezzanine installations. Mezzanine7 brings many typically additional benefits as standard, reducing both cost and overall installation times. Significantly increased deflection strength means greater tolerance and stability, along with reduced frequency. Increased reflectivity as standard results in better lighting efficiency and ongoing cost savings. Mezzanine7 carries a Class 0 fire resistance rating, removing the need for specialist coatings. Add our MyTech G2 board for market-leading robotics and automation support, along with electrostatic resistance, a low friction coefficient and wear resistance. G2 boards are reversible for double the lifespan. MezzHead add-on brackets are available with Mezzanine7 and work together to provide a turnkey solution for hanging conveyors, machinery, and utilities with increased flexibility. Compared to MezzHead, traditional steel beams are expensive and add considerable weight to the mezzanine, lowering the load tolerance of the upper floor. Mezzanine7's superior strength allows for changes to point loads, with the reassurance of being future-proofed for potential changes and expansions. The Mezzanine7 and MezzHead solutions are unmatched in the industry. With leading load capacity, deflection strength, and the benefits of reflectivity, fire resistance, and flexibility as standard, Mezzanine7 is your solution today for the challenges of tomorrow. If you'd like to know how Mezzanine7 can help you achieve your next project, our technical specification team are on hand to assist with design and specification. You can also see Mezzanine7 and MezzHead in action at our Research and Development Center.